In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your Flowmeter to make heat quantity measurements, another feature that comes as standard with your Sonic Driver fixed Flowmeter. Heat quantity measurements are important in building automation when measurements on cooling and heating systems are made. Scroll down to the bottom of the main menu and select Heat Metering. Then, select the way that you want the meter to calculate the heat measurements. There are three methods available: specific heat capacity, EN1434 standard, and Russian standard. Here, we are going to select EN1434 standard. Calculations are now done using the algorithms as specified in the standard. Should you select the Russian standard, you can enter the liquid pressure as required. Should you select specific heat capacity, the value for your liquid at its measured temperature is displayed. You will need to have two PT100 input modules fitted in your Flowmeter. This is so that you can dynamically measure in real time the inlet and the outlet temperatures of your flow through your cooling or heating system. This display shows all of the relevant inlet and outlet temperatures, liquid density, and enthalpy calculations being done to the EN standard. These displays show you real-time heat quantity rate and totals. You can select a variety of units to display. Make sure you check our social media pages and YouTube channel for more information and tutorials, including commissioning your handheld Flowmeter and how to use a Sonic Driver wall thickness gauge.